bacon wrapped roasted pork loin. This is simple, tasty, beautiful, satisfying, quick. Everything I like in a pork. You can get larger. Small loin will cook quicker, and it's good for 2 people. We don't really need more. We have our bacon for wrapping, 1 clove of garlic, which we're gonna rub over the top. We have some Dijon mustard, salt, pepper, and brown sugar, and that's it. Let's get going. Cutting through the garlic here, I'm just really opening it up because we're gonna crush it, get all of those juices flowing, and then literally just rub it all over the piece of pork to give a light garlic flavor. I find that just a rub of garlic makes this taste special without overpowering it. Incidentally, if you get smelly food, if you get garlic on your fingers or something similar, don't wash in hot water. Hot water opens the pores and the smell of the garlic will go in and take much longer to clear away from your hands. Wash in cold water, it gets rid of that garlic smell much quicker. Bacon is salty, so be careful. Not too much salt on here, but a good amount of black pepper. Roll it around on the cutting board to pick up all of those stray pieces. Next goes the Dijon mustard, and we are just gonna put a good blop on top and spread it all around the loin here. This will bring fantastic flavor and is a huge flavor enhancer for pork. Now we just wrap our pork with bacon. I've cut the bacon in half, so I'm not actually wrapping so much as just covering the top. Now, it's possible that these will curl up and might not look so good. We'll see. I could have gone a little longer on these so that they could have been tucked underneath. And last but not least, a little brown sugar on top really is going to help this along. Just a little bit on there that's going to crisp up nicely and sweeten up that bacon. I don't have a small baking pan, so it's going in my large baking pan. .375 Fahrenheit. Keep an eye on it. The recommended temperature when you bring this out of the oven is 145 Fahrenheit, but let it sit for about 10 minutes. It will increase its temperature while it's sitting, and it will be nice and juicy. This is done perfectly. I'm gonna slice it, put it on the platter, taste it, and see how we did. All carved up and ready to go. Very versatile. You can put this on a plate with potatoes, rice, vegetables, pasta, whatever you want, or you can make a sandwich out of it. The flavor is incredible. I just gotta taste it before we go. I have the bacon, I have all of the flavor on the meat. It's juicy and succulent, and I'm ready. Little hint of garlic, the mustard, the bacon with the brown sugar is incredible. You're always welcome here in the kitchen. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, leave a comment, ring that bell, and come back and see us next time.